Understanding market price and factor cost. First of all, let's learn what is factor cost and what is market price. Market price is what we, the consumers, actually pay to the producers for a product. It includes the production cost, the subsidies, and the indirect taxes. Whereas factor cost is what the producers actually get while they sell a product to the consumers. It is calculated after adjusting for the subsidies and indirect taxes. Let's see how we can go from market price to factor cost. There's a simple formula for that. Factor cost is equals to market price minus net indirect taxes. And net indirect taxes is equals to indirect taxes minus subsidies. Let's take an example. Suppose NNPMP is equals to 1000, net indirect taxes is equals to 200. Therefore, NNPFC is equals to 1000 minus 200, that is 800. Let's take another example. Here we are given the GNP, depreciation, indirect taxes and subsidies. In this we'll first convert gross into net and then market price into factor cost. For more such simplified explanations, follow us at RiseUp Economics classes.